Hi, George here. Sometimes you need to delete a video on YouTube. Let me show you the best way to do that. First, go up to your YouTube Studio, and that's the avatar right up here, upper right-hand corner, and YouTube Studio. There we go. Then go over into Content right here and find the video that you want to delete. Now I have one up here I put up just for this one video, so it's okay or safe for me to delete this. A couple things that you should do about this. First off, you need to ask yourself, why do you want to delete that file? Is it that important to do? Now, if you're trying to get monetized and you've gone through the whole process and YouTube is saying that there are errors or problems and you have to fix some videos, that's one reason why you may want to delete a video, and that's okay. Or possibly you're doing a change on your channel and you want to remove some older videos because they're no longer matching your new content, your new direction on your channel. It's okay to delete those videos. But possibly what you might want to do first is to simply make those videos private instead of deleting them. You can make a video private right here where it says public. Click on this. You can then choose just to set it private. Then it's no longer being shown on the channel. Now, if you do that and you're trying to get your 4,000 watch hours for monetization, you will no longer get those watch hours from it because the 4,000 hours have to be public watch hours, not private watch hours. Also, if you delete a video that has a lot of views on it, has a lot of comments on it, I would lose all of that if I remove the video. But if you are a new channel, you're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers, you're trying to hit that 4,000 hours of watch time, taking a video down could affect that. If you decide that you do want to take down your video, you should do a backup on it. You should download your video first and have that as a backup just in case you want to use that video again in the future. And there's a couple of things about doing that. First off, go into your video where it says details right here, click on details, go into the video, and then where it has the video link right here, copy that video link down. This is your video URL. Copy that down as a safety. Now, I do this all the time when I put my videos up. Let me bring up my little spreadsheet that I use. Now, here's a spreadsheet that I use for all of my video uploads on all of my different channels, where it says promotions over here. This is just the title of the video. And then I have a check mark if I've uploaded it. I have the YouTube URL right here. If I've shared the video through the YouTube share function, I have that shown right here. And I have the date that I uploaded it right there. So I have a record of all of those URLs in my channel. This is just, again, a safety. Let's now go back to the channel content. The next thing you should do after you have that done is roll over your video. And then right here where it says options, the little three dots, click on that. And in here, download your video so you have a copy on your computer if you don't already have one. Now we can go ahead and delete. Notice it says delete forever. That's not actually true. I'll show you a way that you can frequently get back deleted videos in just a minute. Click on delete forever. And right here is the delete dialog box. And notice again, there's a download video button right there. So click on, I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. And that's true on YouTube. Okay, click on delete forever. And there you go. The video is now gone and it's no longer showing on YouTube. Let's say now that you accidentally deleted a video and you want to get that video back and you don't have a backup copy. There is a way to do that if you have that video URL. So there are ways of finding the URL if you didn't keep a record of that. And we can get back a deleted video, maybe. This works most of the time. Let's now bring up a new browser window and you want to go to the Wayback Machine. And that's at web.archive.org. And I'll put this link in the description. Then simply type in your URL up here, right click, and I'll paste that URL in. Hit the enter key. And then if the Wayback Machine has gone back and grabbed that, you'll see it in here. Now there's only been one save here so far back on March 29th, 2022 on that particular video. So if I had deleted that video, I could get that back right here. It's been saved. And again, this doesn't work for brand new videos, but if your video's been up for a few months, there's a very good chance that the Wayback Machine has grabbed it at some point. You can then get that video back. And this doesn't always work, but there's a good chance that it will. So you have this possibility here. Now, the best thing to do is if you've made a backup of that video. That's why I recommended that at the very beginning, to do a backup of your videos or download your video before you delete it. That way you're guaranteed not to have lost that video forever. If you're looking for ways to earn money on YouTube, then check out my new master course all about making money on YouTube without waiting for monetization. You'll find a link for that at the top of the description. And while you're there, make sure you grab your free copy of my guide to the top 20 niches for making money on YouTube. Take a look at my channel for more videos on how to work with and improve your YouTube channel and videos. And don't forget to click on the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my HTG Success channel for more great YouTube content. And I'll see you next time.